What's up, guys? It's your boy Manny back here again with one more review. Today we're gonna do something really nice for you. This is all part of the Tesla segment. Yes, it is. I got something in the mail. You guys are going to flip when you see what this is. As soon as I saw they made this, I had to purchase it. It took a while to come in because it was under production, but now finally that it's here, I need to show you guys so you guys can see how really cool this is. So I'm gonna open up this box. Guys, you're gonna flip out. I mean, as soon as I saw that they made this, I jumped on it right away. If you guys haven't seen I Want Tesla on YouTube, go ahead and check his videos out. I mean, I've been looking at his videos for a long time, and he's the reason why most of the stuff I have for my car I purchased, so I gotta give him some of the credit. So go ahead and take a look at his videos. He posted a video on this bad boy and I had to pick it up. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, are you ready to see what this is? Are you ready for this? Yeah, baby. Look at that. It is a yoke steering wheel for the Model 3 for the Model 3 and for the Model Y. It works for both. It's from Hansshow. I mean, guys, take a look at this. Carbon fiber inserts, carbon fiber on the side, Alcantara all around wrapped. Comes with the controls already in there, and then it also comes with the carbon fiber Tesla logo so you can put on your airbag. Guys, I'm super excited for this. I've been dying to pick one of these up. Hansshow makes some really good stuff, really good products. They make the steering wheels, they make the trunk and the front, like the mechanism to automatically close and automatically open. They do a lot of things. They do that screen that goes right on the top, so it's like adding the cluster. They do a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff from them, so I'm gonna show you. But I wanted to show you this, guys, because this is the yoke steering wheel. You know, it was introduced with the Plaid model, and I'm super excited to test this out, guys. So we're gonna jump into the car so you can see how this looks in there. All right, guys, so here we are in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and install it right now. As you can see, right now I have a carbon fiber one that I already had put in the car. It's actually not that hard to go ahead and set this up. On each side of your steering wheel, you have a little tiny hole. Basically, what I do is I use a little flathead screwdriver. I poke one side out. That's gonna let out the airbag. So that'll let out one side and then lets out the other side. And as you can see, I'll show you on this one, there's one of the little holes that you do. And basically, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but right in there, you have the little clip basically that holds the airbag. So once you poke that hole, it loosens out the airbag, and that really, it just pops right out and you're good to go. So you do that on each side. Pop it out, it'll come right out. Then you take off the clip to unplug the airbag. Then you have the screw right in the middle, which basically I use this. It's a 10, I believe, hex screw. You could pick one up at Lowe's or you could pick one up at Home Depot. It's not expensive. I also use the extension bar. That way it's easier, you get more leverage, and you just unscrew that one screw. That comes right out, the steering wheel comes out, and you go ahead, boom, put the other one in. Put that screw back in. Once that screw is in, you put back the plug for the airbags, put everything back together, and you're pretty much done. That's how simple it is to actually change the steering wheel. It's very simple, guys, not hard at all. To show you guys the final look. All right, guys, so there is the final product. I mean, you tell me, but that looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, you hold it here, you have a nice little hold here. This is also why I told you, now that's gonna be a separate video also from Hansshow, but I'll show you guys at a later time. But this is why I told you this steering wheel is going to be amazing with this setup, because with the other steering wheel, obviously this is the one I had. This one has, you know, the regular round top that a regular steering wheel has. So the problem with that is that it kind of interferes with that screen. But now having the yoke steering wheel, that screen is fully visible. You can see perfectly. I mean, this thing looks amazing, guys. There's the carbon fiber insert that they gave us. The little inserts on the side are real carbon fiber, the Alcantara. I mean, guys, this thing looks amazing. Also, if you look here on the side, it's got carbon fiber on the side as well of the steering wheel. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I'm gonna give you a review on it once I use it, obviously a little bit more. But as of now, I think it's really good. This is the one that I had before. Obviously, not a bad looking steering wheel. Let me put it here so you guys can see it. Looks very nice. Carbon fiber, it's got the racing cutouts, also Alcantara on the side. The only difference between this one and the factory one is, I mean, well, technically installing this one already came with the controls and came with everything. So you just remove the airbag. Once the airbag is out of there, you take off the screw, the two plugs that are in there, and you take off the other one and you put this one back on because it comes with the control. This one, when I purchased, didn't come with the controls. So these controls, everything that's there is from the actual original steering wheel. So I have to put that back on the original steering wheel. This was just basically the shell. So it was not a little bit harder, but there is 4 screws that you have to take off to be able to take off this whole plastic piece and then put it on the new steering wheel. But this is much easier, much nicer. I mean, you guys let me know what you think, but to me, that is one good looking steering wheel. Gives you the feel of having the Plaid, but not spending Plaid money. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about the steering wheel. I'll be doing a video of me driving it so you guys can kind of see how to use it, how to drive with it. But other than that, guys, this is Manny signing out with one more review.